Assalamualaikum, law tigers, motorcycle lovers. Have you recently been injured in a motorcycle accident in Houston? Get in touch with us today. Get the compensation you deserve and get back on the road. There is no fee for this case review. Free case review on millions plus 30 plus years. How can the law tigers help you? Insurance companies make massive profits by not paying your claims. They are not on your side. At Law Tigers, our member motorcycle accident lawyers have been fighting insurance companies on behalf of our fellow riders since 2001. We can help you with medical bills. Experienced motorcycle accident lawyers, we can help file your insurance claims or personal injury lawsuit to recover all your medical expense. Property damage, we can help you pursue compensation to repair or replace your damaged motorcycle. Lost waste earning capacity, motorcycle accident injured can make it difficult to earn a living, and we can pursue compensation for lost wages and future earnings. Pain and suffering, there can be a great deal of pain and suffering from injuries, and our motorcycle lawyers can help pursue compensation for any emotional or physical injuries. With the Law Tigers, you never ride alone. Our experienced, aggressive member motorcycle accident lawyers in various states have helped 1,000 of injured riders secure millions of dollars. Law Tigers members represent Clint throughout the country on a continuously free basis, which means they do not charge any upfront fees and only require payment if they recover compensation of your behalf. Fees and calculated as a percentage of the gross recovery. Why you should call the Law Tigers? Here is the harsh truth. Many people and companies will not have your best interest in mind and will fight to make a profit from the worst day of your life. Without experience, proving and aggressive motorcycle lawyers fighting for you, you will be the one who lost in the fight since 2001. Our member lawyers have fought for the rights of injured riders and their families. Contact us to get moving on your case. There is no source of obligation for our case review. We focus on motorcycle races. We support riders nationwide with free resource and community outreach. We help family members get their loved ones the compensation they deserve. I was facing financial destruction, and I am proud to say, thanks to Law Tigers, I have zero medical debts and I am living the life I want to live today. Adam Sandoval World Record Motorcycle. We are product members and supporters of motorcycle groups and organizations nationwide. Emil, M&A, MSF, our Houston motorcycle accident attorneys.